Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox a driller we got from the Cred store at a discounted price. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And with this time we are using our scissors to open this package. Okay, here we go. The MRP says, I don't know, this is like what's wrong with this, but they've tried to remove the sticker or something like that. Let's put it back. So this is a rechargeable screwdriver toolkit. Scan to see videos. Retailing at 2,999. Manufacturing date is October 2025. Man, that's not too far away from now. We are in December. So the box is not that good quality, but let's open this toolkit. Does it have a warranty? No, it is from Elevate. Elevate is into manufacturing innovative machines. So this is what it looks like. Lithium screwdriver. It has a light as well here, probably a laser. We just plug in the different types of different designs that we want and start drilling away. But this is an electric screwdriver. Look at the different designs, variety of the heads that we have. I bought it for the purpose of drilling on walls. We have one drill here. This is again a screwdriver head. You got something here. Thank you for trusting us. Okay, they have this, Mansa. It is a Mansa's product. Mansa normally puts all this packaging inside the boxes that they send. Okay, drill bit, extension bar. They've given us some printed material here, which shows what are the things that we have with this item. We have the driller here. This is what we are going to use now to drill a hole on the wall. So okay, this goes here. You can see it has screwdriver bit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 of them. There's an extension rod. Please scan QR code above to receive all manuals and videos on WhatsApp. There's a charging cable. There is a screwdriver bit, and there is a drilling bit. Do we have two drill bits? Yes, we have two drill bits here. Let's see if it fits in here at the head. Yeah, but does it fit in right tightly? Not sure how this works, man, but quality is not that great. But I don't know, because I have not used these kind of things before. I guess we gotta charge this. This is all new to me, man. No problem, any which ways we'll just start to try using this. This was the unboxing of Elevate's portable 47-piece kit for home rechargeable screwdriver. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos.